Now, if we go to our part tracker, I was really ahead of myself there. Now, if we go to our part tracker and we look at our part locations, aha, there they are. My pieces are waiting for me in inspection. So when we go to inspection processing, inspection processing for a QA user is a work list. What the system will list is all inspections that are required and pending. We're going to go ahead and work on the component parts that we require. So we'll choose our inspector. For the sake of expediency, I'm going to go ahead and pass them all. But the system does support a full generic to specific process flow for inspection. It goes from the generic inspection where you choose how many pass, how many fail, and then to a DMR where you can disposition individual pieces if need be or as a group. And it also supports supplier return. We're going to go ahead and receive them all. And you'll see, just like the PO suggestions, when I do my process, it drops off the work list so that I'm not wasting my time trying to do something more than one. What we'll see on this one, my inspection data button lit up. So this one needs a little more detail on its inspection. So for the sake of the demonstration, we're only going to inspect one piece. We're going to go ahead and inspect this piece, and its weight is 15 ounces. The system will tell me depending on how I've configured it, I can configure with tooltips so they can tell me what I'm supposed to be entering here. Select one from the list, measuring from A to B in inches, 6. I do not remember what this material hardness value is supposed to be, so we're just going to put in a value. I failed. Crap, I failed. Ah, well. And what you'll see is the system, because I only inspected one, it assumes that they're all the same and that they will all fail. So we're going to go ahead and pass them anyway. I really do need to go through and a warehouse and a bin to put them in. If I had pushed this through to fail, the system would have generated the DMR for me and started the process for vendor return. Okay, so now if we look at our part tracker,